welcome back to my channel. Okay, so one of my most asked questions ever is how I get these curls, how I get these voluminous, luscious curls. So I got you. I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this. Yes, I'll be using this T3 Curl ID, but we'll get to that in a second. All right, if you're not already subscribed, just make sure you click that subscribe button down below and make sure you give this video a like if you like it. All the information to everything will be in the description box, so make sure you check it out. All right, so let's get into this video. This video is sponsored by T3. Thank you so much, T3, for sponsoring this video. This is their new Curl ID, and it is amazing because it uses this heat ID technology I'm going to speak about. Also, they have a flat iron, which is called the Lucia ID as well. Okay, so heat ID is pretty awesome because you're basically trying to figure out the right settings for your curling iron so that you're not using too much heat on your hair. So the first thing you do is you plug in the curling iron. I'm using Curl ID, and once you turn it on, you're going to hear this sound. The next step is to figure out your hair profile, which is where you're going to diagnose your hair based on the texture. So this hair is coarse hair, and you're also going to check and see if your hair is color treated or not. Mine is not. And you're going to check if it's chemically treated or not, and mine is also not. So once you input all this information into the curling iron, it's going to give you a heat ID number, which is really, really great. So mine is 6. As you can see, there's 6 notches on the curling iron. So now that I have my heat ID number, I am ready to get started. So starting off with freshly washed, freshly conditioned hair, I'm ready to go. The tools I'm going to need are obviously the Curl ID, which you just saw, a blow dryer, a brush, heat protector, and I'm ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to brush out the hair. I want to get any kinks out. I want to get it to be as basically detangled as possible. Then I'm going to go with my blow dryer and the brush to really get it straightened out. So I'm going to do this all over the hair. This hair is really, really big, so it definitely takes a while to do. And yeah, my hands were hurting at one point. You can see that there. Next step is more heat protector, just to make sure that you're keeping your hair very protected. Then I'm just going to rub it all the way in. Rub, rub, rub. Alright, so I've already gotten started. I want to show you some of the curls you're going to be getting. So I'm grabbing the Curl ID. It's already customized to the correct settings for the hair, which is really, really good. And what I do is I use the clamp and I basically wrap the hair around it. And then I just clamp the hair down. And I just do it for a little bit. I end up dancing because I'm just kind of like trying to use the time. But around like 4 to 5 seconds is pretty good amount of time. And then you end up with some curls. So I just love how bouncy, how shiny this curling iron makes my hair. I love, love, love it. So here are some of the curls. I've done a few. Let me show you in the back. Yes. Okay, let me do it again. So I brush through the hair again just to make sure no kinks. Don't want any kinks because it's not going to help. Then I wrap the hair around the curling iron, and then I use the clamp to clamp it down. Doing my little dance again, just to pass some time. And then I take the curler out. I took this out in the worst way, but you can basically see the curls are still very, really nice ringlets, which is what I really like this hair to look like. Also, make sure that you're sectioning out the hair. It makes it so much easier to manage. So grab another piece, just gonna show you guys again. And again. this might have to be my favorite curl. Like, why is it so cute? I can't. Okay, after you're done, the main thing that you need to do now is separate the curls. This is what makes you kind of have like the desired size. So you can leave it like this, which is like the well-defined curls, or you can start to separate it. The more you separate it, the bigger the hair gets. And you know me, I'm all about that big hair vibe. So I just pretty much do this all around my hair. Excuse all the lighting changes. Honestly, I have no words. But can we talk about this hair? Let me know what you think of these curls in the comment section. Let's have a curl appreciation moment, okay? I am obsessed with the Curl ID because it definitely uses the correct amount of heat to make sure the hair is really, really shiny, really, really defined. And it definitely makes the curls last way longer. There's so many cool ways to use this curling iron, but I absolutely love it. And I love T3 in general. You guys know I've been rocking with T3 for a while if you follow me on Instagram. And I just can't get enough of these curls, okay? I just cannot. Make sure you like this video if you liked it, and check the description box for where you can get the T3 Curl ID and Lucia ID because you will not regret it. Also, let me know what your heat ID number is because I would love to know that. Mine is 6, as you know. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Oh, almost done, finally. This takes forever. I just want you to know because this hair is so big. So big. But the results are worth it.